Welcome to our cement factory. Today, I'll show you how cement is made.
Behind me is a process that never sleeps. This is where stone becomes strength.
From the tallest skyscrapers to the smallest footpath beneath your feet, there is one silent force. Gigantic drilling machines bore into solid rock, operated by Hispanic female workers. Explosives.
Once inside the factory, the raw stone is too large to process, so it enters massive crushers, where rocks the size of cars.
After crushing, materials move across kilometers of conveyor belts. They are stacked inside massive.
The carefully calculated raw materials now move into giant grinding mills. Here, rotating steel rollers crush.
We have an amber warning on the material flow. Ratio is slightly off.
Rerouting the mix. We can't risk the strength.
Once ready, the raw meal travels through sealed pipelines toward the heart of the factory, the rotary kiln.
The rotary kiln is the hottest and most dangerous zone for robotics like hot and kaisay, the entire factory.
As temperatures rise, carbon dioxide escapes from the limestone. What remains fuses into glowing red-hot nodules.
The red-hot clinker now exits the kiln and enters massive cooling chambers. Cold air blasts.
Clinker alone is not yet cement. It must be ground into ultrafine powder along with small amounts of gypsum.
The finished cement flows into automatic packing machines, filling 25 kilograms, 40 kilograms.
Finished cement is stored in massive warehouse zones, protected from moisture and contamination. From here, it is ready for global distribution.
Before any cement leaves this factory, it must pass strict quality tests. In laboratories, now the cement begins its final journey. Forklifts load thousands of bags onto trucks.
And that's how cement is made, Kelkeen, from raw stone to finished strength.
From silent mountains to roaring machines, from simple stone to the foundation of